Morning guys, it's Patrick from Wrestling Nerds and it is day one. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. I've just had a shower. I couldn't figure it out, so that was ice cold. The plan is to go and get some breakfast. I don't know where. I'm going to be nosy. I'm going for a walk and then hopefully film some footage. Today is going to be a lazy day. I've got up early, I've unpacked the essentials. So now, like I said, I think today's trying to find my bearings, show you this room that I'm booked, where I'm staying for the next 10 nights. I want to see where it goes from there. So yeah, I'll just film some random footage, film my breakfast, and then film when I go out for a meal later. I generally don't know what the plan is today. It's probably in that mindset where I don't really want to spend a lot of money, so I think it is just going to be going to breakfast, do a bit of filming, and then come back. So we'll see you later guys. Oh yeah, and as well, I'm having problems with uploading the video. I tried doing it last night. Again, Wi-Fi here, it's not at a rate. The Wi-Fi keeps dropping as well, so I don't know how to fix that. So I'm just basically, when I go to a bar, I'm going to try a bar and hope for the best basically. So yeah, the video might come up while I'm out. Who knows? So the idea was to go for breakfast, but I didn't realise that it opens up at like 10 o'clock on the strip. Well, where I want to go don't open till 10, so now I've got to wait 5 minutes chilling, basically. So 10-15 minutes and then get my breakfast. Shouldn't be long till I say breakfast, but I didn't know that, so yeah. If you're looking for food on the main street, probably after 10 o'clock. There are probably places open, but I want to try this one breakfast that I've been recommended, so I'm gonna wait for this bad boy. Woo! So that breakfast I had was €6. Pretty good actually. Recommend it. It's filled me up to the max. I went shopping, got some snacks, which I'll show you on the tour, which I'm going to do in a minute. Trying to think. Yeah, and that was it. And I've got bits and bobs of footage. The video is supposedly uploading. I'm using my actual mobile data. Bad idea. Wi-Fi isn't great. So guys, time for the tour. So guys, this is the room. Okay. So, yeah, we know that it's €15. Well, 50 cents per night for tax. Obviously, that was included with booking.com. Shower is pretty, obviously basic, Greek style. I couldn't get it to work this morning. Cold shower. Mirror. So, very basic. Then you walk out here. See, little kitchen area, that, That snacks I got tzatziki flavoured crisp and obviously the Cheetos. Fridge. He's got some bread, cheese and ham. Came up to a couple of euros. I think in total, all that was about €6, which is pretty decent. I think the bread would last a few beds. Messy laptop. TV, I can't get to work at the minute. I need to ask him when I see her. And a little balcony. If you go up there, the finger's pointing that's Canal du Mont. I'd come all around. I'm going to potentially go and have a look up there later. Come back to, let's have 5 minutes. Probably get out my jeans. Let the legs breathe. And that's the room, guys. Pretty much like saying, cheap and cheerful, what you want when you come to Greece. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to update on. Probably not, guys. So yeah, the plan is, so I'll say to come chill out for half an hour, go for a walk again, and then slowly get ready for tonight. Plan is, I don't know where to go yet to eat. I might venture somewhere. So yeah, I'm gonna venture somewhere. I don't know where. Try and get some footage of the strip, proper footage, and yeah, just hope the video is uploaded soon for yesterday because I kind of want to keep my promise. So yeah, guys, I'll be back later. Bye. Yeah, it's been like that since about when did I have my breakfast? So about 10:30. And I'm actually using normal data, so I have to be careful. I'm hoping I actually can find a bar with decent Wi-Fi now because I can't keep doing this. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Where I stopped last year. Where I haven't stopped this year. See our baby in the background. Under that. Part 1. Spoiling your YouTube. Albania. So guys, I'm back at the room. I'm still undecided where to go to eat. Honestly, I'm in that moment where it's like, what do I do? Well, I'm gonna find somewhere. I'm gonna go for a proper meal. I need to, after that breakfast, I need to top up. I generally just don't know where to go, but I think after the meal and all that, I think that's going to be the end of this video for the day. I don't think there's much else on really for me to kind of put on this video, but you never know, we might come across something. I'm trying to just build up footage wise. I'm spoiling you. I generally think I'm spoiling you by just giving you, in the past 2 days I've given you quite a bit of Sidari. So, you know, I just need recommendations for restaurants. So if you've been to Corfu Sidari, put you recommendations for restaurants down there. And I will try and check them out. Obviously, Viv, if you're watching, I'm going to go to Bolero's and have a drink for you. And, yeah, so it's more, just I need recommendations. I'm trying to be the explorer this time around. I'm not sticking to my usual huts. And that's my view again. It's beautiful. It's kind of like, oh yeah, it's better here than living back at home, innit? As I say. So guys, yeah, let's see where it goes tonight. I'm gonna find somewhere, so don't you worry. Yeah, man.
Hello.
You're right. Holy fuck. It's that time of night. I'm gonna leave it here. I believe, guys. Off to Lagoon. That's what it is. And yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. The meal was lovely. Honestly, if you come to Sidari, try their food out. You know, I'm gonna be that guy. I'm gonna be that guy. I'm gonna be that guy. Just go there, have their food. It is amazing. But it was spicy, I will admit. My bum will work feel it in the morning. So guys, here we go. Let's show you some scenery before I go. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Thanks for watching.